Okay, guys, here's another video for you. This is my take on what's going on. Forgive me, I'm a little bit upset, as you'll find out as we go throughout this video. But let's talk about GameStop and what is going on with all of this crazy activity. It's gotten to be nuts. So let's go back a little bit here and we'll figure out what started all this. So the original catalyst for a little bit of growth was someone from Chewy signed on and said that he was going to turn GameStop into a e-commerce company. And they were going to try to blow GameStop up and make it, like I said, an e-commerce company. Now, that alone just gave it a little bit of a boost. And what happened then is the price ran up a little bit. People started to get excited, as they normally do. And then what happened was all of this big money, hedge funds, billionaires, funds, banks, everyone, shorted the stock. They thought it was going to go down. That's fine. It happens all the time. You know, there's always a constant battle, bulls and bears, shorts and longs. It happens. For GameStop, it got too crazy the other way. So there was too many shorts. And I heard that there was 136% shorts in the stock. I don't even know how that happens. 136% of the stock was shorted. 36% more than even exist was shorted. And this is just a classic example of market manipulation. But that's fine. It happens all the time. It's not new. The difference here with this scenario is Wall Street bets and a ton of retail investors came together and they said, okay, we got a little bit of a catalyst and everyone's shorting this stock. Let's work together. We'll shoot the price up and we'll clear out the shorts. So they started to do that. And that is the start of why this stock is going so crazy. And now it's gotten to be the point where it's a war. It's a literal war. If you go on Wall Street Bets, people are piling into the stock. There was 2 million people that followed Wall Street Bets. Now there's 2.4 million. So 400,000 people since this whole GameStop started have now followed Wall Street Bets, me included. Last night, I joined Wall Street Bets and I started following them. And it is literally like a war, guys. There's people posting, pile in, pile in. The shorts are starting to sell their positions. They're trying to get us to cash out. They're trying to get us to take profits. They're trying to make us start buying AMC and BlackBerry. Pile in, guys. Buy more. Price is going up. It's going to 400. And it's ridiculous. It's so crazy. But with that being said, so let's keep going with this story. Stock starts to shoot up. That clears out the Wall Street shorts positions. They have to buy the stock because they're not like you or me. They can't let their stock go to zero. They have people to report to. They have thresholds that they have to maintain. They have balances that they have to maintain. So when their stock position goes to a certain level, if it falls a certain percentage, they buy the stock. They take the loss, they write it off, and they go and they buy the next stock. So with the price action going up, that cleared them out. But that also started the war. Because now you have big money, big hedge funds saying, why is GameStop going up to $100 a share? Nothing has changed for the business. The valuation is now in the billions. You know, now it's currently like 11 billion. But they're saying there's no way this price is going to hold up. It's going to fall. So the shorts now start piling in. They start building the short positions up, which of course makes the Wall Street Bets guys say, buy more, keep it up. And it's a constant battle. The price goes up, the shorts sell out, and big money loses. Big money keeps piling in. It's tough for these little guys, Robinhood investors, Weeble investors, $900. How do you compare? How do you compete with big companies, hedge funds putting millions and billions of dollars into their positions. It's crazy. But then we got Wall Street Bets people got some reinforcements. Chamath, who is part of Social Capital, he's got a number of different IPOs coming. Billionaire. He said, "Oh, I have $100,000. What do I buy?" Everyone said GameStop. So he said, "All right." He put it on calls for the 115 strike price. He put $100,000 to help Wall Street Bets clear out these shorts, and he is on record saying that he doesn't believe in shorts. The hedge funds should all be wiped out. They've made their money. And to a degree, he is right. Why is it all right to short a stock and destroy a company? But then when people start to fight back and they go long on the stock, they work together, then all of a sudden that's a problem. So anyway, Chamath jumped in, and then Elon Musk tweeted and said GameStop. That's all it takes for Elon Musk is one single tweet and a link to a Reddit, and boom, there's more ammo, more people jumping in. And every single person that buys a stock shoots the price up a little bit more. You can see what that does. This morning it was at 380. Now we're looking at 328. All right, so that's where we were this morning. Price continues to shoot up. Then, now here's where the story gets messy. So, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, they said that they are, what was the term for it? Restricting those stocks, meaning GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, the shorted stocks. They're restricting them on their platform to try to stop this. And if you listen to the radio, there's debates. Why should people step in? It's a free market. They're just, they're working together and they're buying. And the big banks, they're buying. It's basically, it's a free for all, but it's all, it's all fair game, basically. All fair game in love and war in stocks, apparently. But TD Ameritrade said, "Oh, no. The retail investors, they're going to get hurt. Someone's going to end up losing a lot of money. You got to restrict this." They're talking about now I think Biden got involved, and now they're talking about doing a 30-day hiatus on the stock to let it calm down. So that's where we are right now. Let me give you my opinion, and this is going to be a bit of a rant. So, if you saw the meme, there's a meme about the Wall Street Bets guys and how traditionally stock pickers will take a month or two to come up with a stock. Meanwhile, Reddit guys just all pile in and make a ton of money. I'll see if I can find it, and if I do find it, I can use it. I'll put it in the beginning of this video. But anyway, so here's my thoughts. I think that you should be allowed to do this. There should be no regulation, supervision. It's a free market. If people want to work together and they want to pile into a stock, let them. What's wrong with that? The shorts are allowed to make money, and they're allowed to short a stock and destroy a company like GameStop, send the price down. Why can't people work together and collaborate and make money? I think that it's all fair. I mean, think about it. No one's telling you to buy the stock. It's clear market manipulation, but that happens in every stock. It happens in Workhorse. How many times have you seen Workhorse go up and down? I think it's all fair. If people want to work together and they want to drive a price up, they should be allowed to. Because you see the price action. If you know anything about the stock market, you know what goes up must come down. Something that's $4 going to $380, you know it's going to go down eventually. If you're willing to take that risk, you should be allowed to take that risk. Personally, myself, and probably many of you guys and many others, they just want a piece of it. I went in this morning, so I bought stock this morning. As soon as it opened, it dropped, and it shot up, and I cashed out. I made 60% of my money, and that's it. There are people coming in to pick up 60% gains, 20% gains even, 80%, but they don't have to hold. I think that people should be allowed to place whatever trades they want. It's just freedom. It's a free market, and TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, there shouldn't be any restrictions on trading this stock. You know the risk when you buy in. By limiting people on what they can do, it just it caps everything. It seems like the new world that we live in. Everything has to be regulated. Someone's always got to oversee everything. It's crazy. It's just ridiculous that you can't even make money on a stock. You know the risk. I'll say it again. I'll say it 17 more times. People know the risk. You know when a stock is, look, it's up $175, 120% today alone. You know it's going to go down eventually, right? I mean, there's no way GameStop's going to maintain this, but you're taking the risk. You're taking the risk. And people say it's gambling. So what? People buy Super Bowl boxes. People buy lotto tickets. They buy scratch-offs. They bet on horses. They bet on dogs. It might be gambling. Actually, it is gambling on GameStop. But it's something that you should be allowed to do. That's my take on it, guys. Sorry if I got a little heated. It really frustrates me when people step in, or institutions step in and try to control things that don't need to be controlled, including us. It's just a trend that I'm seeing that I don't like. Anyway, like and subscribe. If you guys could, please. I'm trying to grow the channel. Subscribe, tell your friends, share this. Maybe this is going to be the video that gets you to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And I promise on the next video, I will have a stock to look at, something that I think is going to go up in the future. You'll see. But thanks again, guys, and good luck out there. Buy GameStop. Just kidding. Don't.